Tube fitting installation. Tube fittings play an important role in providing reliable sealing in instrumentation systems. On this video, we will introduce the installation and reinstallation process for tube fittings. Tools needed for installation: vise, open end wrench, tube cutter, deburring tool, and marker. JPE fittings are designed and manufactured under strict quality control. They can withstand high pressure, vacuum, vibration, and temperature changes. A complete JPE fitting includes 4 components: body, front ferrule, back ferrule, and nut. Reliability and safety are crucial to precision parts. Tube fitting components from different manufacturers may look the same, but they are not necessarily made to the same technical standards. Mixing components may result in unreliable sealing. Tubing cut with a tube cutter often has burrs of varying degrees. Deburring is essential before installation. Both internal and external burrs must be removed. Finally, check if the tube end is deformed after cutting. Any amount of deformation may cause leakage. This video demonstrates manual installation of JPE fittings under 1 inch. When you receive JPE fittings, they come pre-assembled and ready for installation. There is no need to disassemble before use. Doing so may introduce dirt or foreign matter into the fitting, compromising the seal and causing leakage. The standard installation procedure includes 3 steps. Step 1. Insert the tube fully into the fitting body until it bottoms out. Then finger tighten the nut. Step 2. Use a marker to draw a line at the 6 o'clock position across the tube and nut. Step 3. Use a wrench to turn the nut 1 1/4 turns. When the mark reaches the 9 o'clock position, stop turning. For sizes 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 3 mm and 4 mm, only a 3/4 turn is required. Stop at the 3 o'clock position. Installation is then complete. As a helpful feature, JPE nuts come with built-in reference marks. You can simply note the starting and ending position, no marker needed, making installation easier. In high pressure or special conditions above 3.4 megapascals. After hand tightening, use a wrench to ensure the tube cannot be pulled out or rotated. Then use the marker to mark the 6 o'clock position again. Turn the nut 1 1/4 turns with a wrench, and stop when the mark reaches the 9 o'clock position.
Turn pressure into power.